these guys who chop pepper like this. When they come be like you.
For this country, not to no go do for me now.
Papa just they come for the pepper. How many you don't
I look fly, I look good, I just smell nice. Everything money I look fly, I look good, I just smell nice. Everything
No. Sure. Back to my YouTube channel, bro. So today is 9:36. My car time is a bit early, but right now I'm about to go to legendary video right now. This is going to be legendary. Yeah, I don't know get. We're still pepper hunting. Wow, go pepper. We didn't get yellow pepper. I don't know. To chop this tree like this for 3K. You know much now. You want chop now? You want chop now like this?
As a gentleman.
What's his name, sir? Mr. Joel. So can you eat? Wait, calm down now, calm down.
I eat 3 pepper.
You dey rush the pepper. Wait now, calm down. You're gonna be hot. So can you eat pepper? I can eat pepper. You don't chop still like
I don't eat it for the food.
Yeah, so you chop 3 pepper.
Yeah.
Nothing like you don't feel anything.
Nothing is so.
Where you from?
I'm from Rivers State.
You know you Yoruba boy.
Yeah.
Rivers State.
We can go around now.
Yeah, you my guy. Maya.
We want eat.
Now you have to like chew everything, swallow everything, so like don't say anything.
Maoga, how you feel?
Let's settle down.
Maoga, how do you
I
feel?
hope all these guys who chop like this. When they come be like fool.
For this country, not to no go do for money now.
You do alright now.
Maoga, I sight you. I sight you from far. Yeah. Oh, well, good.
Why is it red? Why is it red?
I feel red now. Now something.
Now what pepper now?
Like the red.
Yes, now you know do. I said.
You do alright now.
Maoga.
I don't know. So we just go.
Your phone is with me here.
For a year, 100K.
7 and 3.
Go chop everything for a year, 100K. No be 3.
And not be 3. Me, I design.
Go chop everything for a year, 100K.
I design 3, man. Chop 3, collect my money.
Baba, no, you go chop past 3 if you want to collect your money now.
Like how many?
Eh?
Like
Chop
how
like
many?
6. This guy chop 6.
6.
Carry pass, no come on. Papa just dey come for the pepper, bro. How many you don't chop?
3, 4, 5. 6. 7.
Not food though.
8. 9. 10. 11.
Baba, calm down. You want to chop everything? I have it. Wait.
I want to have everything.
You want to chop
I have
everything?
my 100K. Yes, now.
How many you don't chop? How many you don't chop now like this?
I just saw 12.
You don't try.
12.
Mama, I don't give you 100K if you chop everything.
12. 13.
Eh?
13.
You started as a
14.
Guy, where they born this guy out here? Who is this guy? Now
Spin money.
skin money.
Yeah.
Be like. You go settle down now. You may settle for your bro now.
Carry and come out.
But I see carry and come with the chopper.
Go fast. Last I don't think.
So now, when you come from, you just go carry something now like this. Because now jazz, you got to 100K. No, you get one with you. Now yellow pepper, I will give out. Know that yellow pepper? Yellow pepper, the pepper. Yellow pepper, the
What did they stop? Now money now.
relax now. I may settle down.
I don't settle already.
You don't settle already, man. Why don't finish all the pepper? Now you finish am. Let me know how I show you. You got what you're doing.
Feel good when I'm too fly.
Since the game, you don't chop my own pepper like that. Hello.
Check my new swag, baby.